So I decided to save some time and just order a fan shroud. I ordered this one from Speedway Motors. It came from Jegs, but as you can see, it's too big. So here's my thought. I could send it back and get a smaller one, or I could just make one like I originally planned on, or I could just cut this one up and make it work. Problem solver. The height is right, but it looks like it's about 4 1/4 too wide. Totally take that back. It's 4 1/8 too big. So that's the size of the radiator where this actually needs to sit. It's about 14 1/2 inches. Let's go to the radiator and double check. $16 1/2 inches. Huh? Oh yeah, 16 1/2 inches. I'm gonna cut it a little wide so it'll sit over this lip. Looking pretty good, my friends. So the instructions for this shroud actually say to use self-tapping screws into this lip, which, yeah, that's probably fine, but I'm gonna take it a little further than that. Aluminum nut certs, aka rivnuts. These are 8/32. I ordered them on Amazon. Link down below. Lost my chapinger again. Think I'll have to use my own Amazon link down below and get myself a couple more. Just realized this is a little short. I can't drill and put a nutsert right there. I'm gonna have to stretch that out a bit. So stupid me, I don't have the parts to do 8/32. I'm gonna do these 1024s. They're not aluminum, but they're zinc. Should be all right. Man, self-tappers would have been so much easier. But I feel so much better having it like this. Now we got these feet here that snap onto the fan. Got some rubber bushings. I do want to isolate this fan with some rubber pads, but I think these are too thick. We all know I don't have a whole lot of room up there, so I'll come up with something later. Sure wish I had my chipinger. I think I'm actually going to through bolt the fan. Stainless hardware, nylon nut, washers. You know the deal. Coming along, guys. I'm happy. And I love it when a project cooperates. I know I said I didn't want to take any of this apart, but it's going to be a few weeks before I can pull this engine out. And I want to keep the momentum going, so I need to make some brackets to hold the top of the radiator. Not only that, I just want to see it in here. What's with dogs and antifreeze, dumbass? Oh yeah! Gonna put that in my fancy metal brake. That'll work. Now I just gotta do it again. Did you look at that? Perfect. I'll be finishing those up real nice too. Don't worry. But like everything else, we're just not there yet. I think I want to do a nice cover panel over all that too. So that way when the hood is open, it looks real nice there and finished. Next time I see you guys, it'll be from Camp and Drag. So make sure you subscribe, hit notifications so you don't miss out on that. Later guys.